All right, so we've used the cutoff wheel to cut our wires at about 3/4 of an inch above that socket. Now what we're going to do is remove our driver. And now you'll see the second layer here exposed. And we're going to do the same thing we did before on the outer layer, which is 2 wraps of electrical tape, as close to the sleeve as you can get it. And then our hose clamp is going to go back on. Get that good and snug. And now we are basically doing the same thing we did before on the outer layer. We're going to unwind our cable, unlay it, strand by strand,